In this video, we'll be showing you how we change the font size and style on our Kindle. We're going to start off by navigating to the font menu. Now in this menu, there are a bunch of different variables that we can change. We'll start off with the font itself. There are a couple different options you can choose, and once you click it, it will immediately be changed on your Kindle. Another option that's listed here is the boldness of the letters. Upon pressing the plus button, all of the letters will be a little bit bolder and a little bit darker on the screen. We can also go ahead and adjust the size of the words and letters as well. Pressing the plus button, it's just going to increase that font size, and as you can see, it made it much larger on our Kindle. Okay. We'll go ahead and take a look at the spacing menu now. Here, this is where you adjust the line spacing, paragraph spacing, word spacing, really just to whatever preference you would like. Moving along now to the layout tab, this is where we can adjust the orientation of our Kindle, if we want it horizontal or vertical. And then under the More tab, there are also some other different features that you can add and select as well. For example, like the reading progress in the book. There's a lot of different options here. I'd recommend taking a look at them to see what best fits you. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.